Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno, marching on 34 common estate planning traps and how to avoid them. We are in the omission and oversight section. We're up to number 30. The 30th trap is not telling anyone where you keep your estate planning documents. So it's a big mistake. People will prepare a will or a trust, estate planning documents, and then they'll hide them. Or they'll leave them in the possession of the lawyer that prepared them and not advise the family who that lawyer was. I had a telephone call last week from an adult son and his wife. We did a three-way call, and they were asking me questions, and they do not know if the father had prepared a will. And they asked me if I could locate the will. And it's really difficult. Possibly it could be recorded at court. 99.7%, 99.9% are not ever recorded, because it's the common practice of estate planning attorneys like myself that we do not file them in court. It is not required to be filed in court, and a will can be changed, right? It's at the pleasure of the person. So if you file a will and then you want to create a new will, it's a little bit of a hassle. You have to do a new will. The old one is still recorded in court. So we avoid that scenario by simply not recording a will. However, you have to produce the original will at the time of needing a probate. You have to present the original will to the court after the person passes away, not prior, because the will is subject to the wishes of the person, right? So they can change it. So you really should let your loved ones know who the lawyer was, tell the family where it may be, and right, so I guess you get that point. Along with that, along the same lines, is you should have a proper inventory of your assets. So I have a Vanguard account, I have Prudential Securities, I have this annuity, I have a bank account in TD Bank, right? Just keep a list. Keep a list for the family. It makes it much easier. So that was number 30. Only 4 more to go before this series concludes. Thank you for being here. I appreciate your time. Please tell your friends and family. Like and share and comment. Go to my YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram. I'm all over social media. Please. Thank you very much. If you need me, frankbrunolaw.com.